Band for band, call for call, let's see who having shit. I'm having plenty hoes, nigga, you can have that bitch. Just like I'm playing Tetris, all these racks I'm stacking shit. Yo baby daddy work at Liz, he like the capping shit. I hang with real foxes, nigga, we known for capping shit. And if a bitch try to set me up, I'ma kill that bitch. ARP with a 60, I don't need no switch. What's going on YouTube? This your boy So Icy Swipe, man. Back with another vlog, man. You know what I'm saying? But in today's vlog, man, I'm gonna be showing y'all the Dodge Charger RT that I bought. You feel me? As y'all can see though, bro, it's really raining out though. Like, for what? Like, I don't know. Anyway, bro, I'm open up this umbrella for y'all so y'all can stay dry. You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to get wet.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to get wet. You know we like it wet. Anyway, here go the Charger, man. You feel me? It's a 2015. I bought it off the auction. Y'all can see tires look great. It's this one right here. I don't find it gay. That shit flat as hell. I don't know if it's flat or if it's off the rim or whatnot, but y'all see the front with my jump box. Cause I was about to start messing with it, but I was like, why not record? So, yeah, y'all see that? Front end, it ain't bad though.
You lying? Yeah.
It ain't bad. Like, if y'all on my TikTok, y'all see, like, your boy done fixed 100 times worse cars than this shit, bro. Like, this is like a light day. And I really want to see if that bit run, so I was about to mess with it. It said it run when I bought it, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all deal with the auction, y'all know like I know. Them hoes be lying. But, you know, typical lying hoes. Yeah. And we're gonna put this one on there. Tight shit. Turn that hoe on. I ain't even show y'all the interior. My bad, gang. Interior ain't that bad. All black, you know, just simple shit. And that's a box, that's a radiator. But anyway, let's see what this shit talking about.
Huh?
You know what, on these, if they got a dead battery, you gotta jump it from the trunk. Alright, so shit, we done hooked the jump box on the back. Cause I haven't even heard it. I ain't even heard this bit run. Alright. I ain't gonna cap. We about to go buy a battery, bro. Fuck that. That's what's wrong with it. The bit need a battery. Come on, close. It goddamn rain, goddamn getting down there, motherfucker. My nigga Kaylana pulled up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to take the battery out there bit right quick. And we're gonna go get another battery. Damn. They got this bit in here tight as hell. Like, I know we like it tight and shit, but
What do you mean by that?
finally got this tight motherfucker out, cuz. Damn. Yeah, I can see. Weak ass battery. Dodge had an extra thing holding the battery in, like, cuz. Dodge. The battery not going nowhere. There's no need to put this down there, bro. God damn. I think it was like this. Yeah. So about to slide that hoe in right quick. 2 seconds. Alright, y'all. So we got the battery in. Let's see what this guy do now. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, crunk up. That bitch gotta shake. Shake your booty. Looking at what the fuck? We got a little like a vibration, you know what I'm saying? It might need some oil. Oh, y'all, the fucking serpentine belt, look, bro, look. Oh my God. That was going on. The belt broke. That's another reason the hoe probably acting like how it is. On Thunder Grade. And the pulley broke right here. Fucking belt broke. Wow. Okay. We done found another problem. But at least we know it'll crank up. But now I'm gonna cut it off because that mean ain't no water circulating. And the check engine light on. So I need to put the reader on there. So I'm gonna do the AC. Well, you ain't gonna never know if the AC and shit work because all this fucked up. Well, it ain't fucked up, but the belt. The damn belt. Damn. Well, shit, we done knocked out the big part, knowing that it run. That's like the major part, shit. Cause a lot of times you get these cars, bro, it be something wrong. Like you don't know what's really going on with that bit. But as y'all can see, that whole run. So we can go ahead and close this. And I'm gonna get y'all walking around the front one more time. Like that motherfucker is pushed in. Oh God. So I already ordered the radiator. I ordered the bumper and the fan assembly, and I ordered the light. So I ordered everything on the front to get the bit going. So hopefully on the next video y'all see that it's running. But not running, but it's back. You know, back together, looking normal type shit. This is all for this charger right here. Like I said, one more spin around right quick. Y'all see it got little dings and dents and shit over here. Oh yeah. But yeah, we pick the vlog back up tomorrow. Alright, YouTube, so this the weekend of when I was recording. So as y'all can see, hold on right quick. The fan came in for the charger. And we got the radiator in the car. The bumper be here probably Tuesday or Wednesday. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all see the car, the whole vlog. So now we about to skip to a lifestyle. Now we about to go pick up my cousin and we about to go get the new Taxi 12 that just came out. So catch y'all boys back on when we get to the mall. Alright, YouTube, so while we're on the way to go get my cousin, I ain't dropped y'all no gems in a couple videos, you get what I'm saying? So on this video, the gem I'm gonna get y'all today is invest y'all money. Like, you feel me? Make some money to invest it into something that's gonna bring you some money. You get what I'm saying? Stop taking all your money, blowing that shit on shoes, hoes, and clothes, and you know what I'm saying? Other shit that can wait right quick. You feel me? It's goddamn 2024. Like, you supposed to be getting to the loop. You feel me? So take out money and spend it into something that's gonna make y'all some money. That way you get the extra money to do all the shit that you wanna do. Like, you wanna trick on your bed, buy yourself some nice shit, buy some of this jewelry, buy a nice car, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure you put your money into something that's gonna bring you some money back, you feel me? So find something that you good at doing and try to make some money off of it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the little free gem I'm gonna drop right quick. Bow. Yeah, I can see this dude did not get the shoes, man. Like,
oh man,
did not.
Open it. What's in there, man?
Did not get the shoes, man. Didn't get them, man. So. Oh my God, this dude ain't get the shoes, y'all. But nah, we both got the J's. You know what I'm saying? I bought some slides too.
Huh?
We're going there real quick. But yeah, but we both got the shoes and we in the mall. Let me see your bag, man. Put your shit up for a thumbnail, man. Damn, bro. Alright. Yeah, so now we about to go to Detail Law and we need to go to SB. See how I get that Chick-fil-A motherfucker, man. Like, yes, sir. That deluxe with the pepper jack motherfucker. Yeah. What you got, bro? That boy got the chicken noodle soup, motherfucker. That boy got the chicken noodle soup, motherfucker, y'all. I ain't even know Chick-fil-A had that shit. He just put me on some new shit. But we had to take a stupid food break right quick though, cause your brain ate shit all fucking day. So, you feel me? After this, we gonna walk back in SB, see what the hell they talking about. Y'all made it this far on the vlog. Make sure y'all got them supporting everything, bro. And again, appreciate all the support y'all been bringing to the channel. I fuck with that shit. That's love. But yeah. That bit a little tight. Well, I don't know though. That bit's great. Alright, YouTube, so just got finished with a WWE match at SB Jewelers.
Got him. We fucking got him.
We done came to a conclusion. I got another piece started, you know what I'm saying? So, I can see. Got the tab going. Had to get some measurements and all that. But, yeah, we got another piece on the way. And, start that mug, man. Appreciate that.
No problem. Anytime, brother.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Anytime. Got you all the time.
Appreciate that. But look, we're gonna end the vlog off right here, man. We start another piece. Y'all seen the Dodge Charger I bought though. We're gonna fix the cell and yeah, that's it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Like,
Follow me on
comment,
everything.
subscribe, follow everything. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow.
On everything.
Yes, all everything. And you need
You know
to
what I'm
come and
saying?
see me for the custom.
You
So
feel me?
Yes.
Hold on, let me zoom in on the sun. Y'all see who we at right here?
Yes. So make sure we're gonna see you in the next vlog.
Right, there we go.
Yes.
And tell them Swipe sent you so they can bust your head when you price something. You feel me?
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
No, I'm just playing. These my people in here. But we're gonna end the vlog off right here.
You got a little
I did.
box or something I can put that stuff in?